बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। तालीम आम चैनल में आप सबको खुश आमदीद। आज हम इंग्लिश का यूनिट नंबर 1.1 ओरल कम्युनिकेशन पढ़ेंगे। इट इज़ अ डायलॉग बिटवीन अ स्टूडेंट एंड अ टीचर हाउ टू इंट्रोड्यूस ईच अदर। टीचर: अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स। स्टूडेंट्स: वालेकुम अस्सलाम मिस। टीचर: गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन। स्टूडेंट्स: गुड मॉर्निंग मिस। Teacher: sit down students and listen to me. Students: thank you miss. In the second part, teacher introduce herself and asks student to introduce one by one. Teacher: good morning students. I am Miss Sara. I am a teacher. I teach class 2. Student: good morning miss. I am Yasir. I am a student. I am in class 2. Now on the next page, a child Abdurrahman is talking about himself. I am Abdurrahman. मैं अब्दुर्रहमान हूँ. I am 6 years old. मैं 6 साल का हूँ. I am in class 2. मैं दूसरी जमात में हूँ. This is मुश्तबा. ये मुश्तबा है. He is my elder brother. वो मेरा बड़ा भाई है. He is 8 years old. वो 8 साल का है. He is in class 4. वो चौथी जमात में है. This is सीरत. ये सीरत है. She is my younger sister. वो मेरी छोटी बहन है. She is 5 years old. वो 5 साल की है. She is in class 1. वो पहली जमात में है. This is गुलाम मुस्तफ़ा. ये गुलाम मुस्तफ़ा है. He is my friend. वो मेरा दोस्त है. We are in class 2. हम दूसरी जमात में हैं. This is मानो. ये मानो है. It is a cat. ये एक बिल्ली है. नेक्स्ट पेज पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखें. टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. आई हैव डन इट फॉर यू. आई जस्ट रिकॉल द करेक्ट आंसर. Number 1, Mushtaba is 8 years old. Number 2, Seerat is a girl. Number 3, Ghulam Mustafa and Abdur Rahman are friends. Number 4, Mushtaba is in class 4. Number 5, Abdur Rahman and Mushtaba are brothers. Number 6, Mano is a cat. Now on the next page, we have to answer the questions. In which class is Mushtaba? Mushtaba is in class 4. Question number 2. In which class is Abdur Rahman? Abdur Rahman is in class 2. Question number 3. In which class is Seerat? Seerat is in class 1. Question number 4. Who is Mano? Mano is a cat. Now look at these. Complete the sentences about yourself for the following question. Question number 1. In which class are you? I am in class 2. Who is your friend? You have to write your friend's name here. As Maham is my friend. How old are you? I am 6 years old. You have to write your friend's name and your age in the blanks. On the next page, there is a grammar practice. Tick the correct answer. Use of is, am, are. Is used with he, she, it or singular noun. Am is used with I. Are is used with we, you, they and plural noun. Now we do the exercise. I have done it for you. I just read the correct sentences. Seerat is my younger sister. We are in class 2. Mushtaba is my elder brother. I am 6 years old. Mushtaba is in class 4. I am in class 2. Remaining exercise will be uploaded in the next lecture. I also uploaded some copy work, mind map, words meaning, question answers and is use of is, are, am regarding the lectures. I hope so you will like my videos and it will be helpful for both teachers and students as well. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.